Hi guys. Look at all the boats in the port. Leaving, coming, playing their own little band music. No copyright, no affiliate for that, guys. They're getting ready to go see what we see. It's early there. This one back there. It's got a band. Isn't that funny? Well, not it's cool. Look at this. Look at here, let me back up so you can see. This huge cruise ship has to back up because there's an island right here. A little resort island and the port. So you have to make a 3-point turn in this tremendous ship. It takes a long time. The pilot boat was blowing its horn, signaling it's leaving, coming out, going out into the ocean. Watch out. Once it goes straight out from that channel, it is fast zoom. You gotta get out of its way. So you should already. Isn't that cool, guys? Look at that big old sailboat taking people out to see what we see from my sailboat. See what I see. Like, guys, like, wow. Oh, see the birds. See, they're going into the sun.